Welcome to Into the Wild Zoo Tours, where I, someone with special needs, shares my love of animals. Welcome to Pittsburgh, everybody. Today we are going to the National Aviary. The aviary is home to a lot of lesser-known birds, like the palm cockatoo, the capuchin bird, and many others. Our first tour of the aviary will be Penguin Point, where we'll learn about, you guessed it, penguins, more specifically African penguins. We're also going to learn about other birds. The first animal we'll see is the bald eagle. Bald eagles almost went extinct in the 1940s until help arrived. The area is home to two bald eagles, Flynn and Indy. Just like all captive bald eagles, they came in with injuries. Bald eagles are believed to live up to 30 years or longer in the wild. They mate for life, building huge nests on top of trees, near rivers, lakes, and other wetlands. The adults often return to the same nest year after year, making additions to the nest each year. Some nests can reach up to 10 feet and weigh up to 2,000 pounds. The next animal is the Vietnamese pheasant, but we already learned about in our elephant trek at the Cincinnati Zoo tour. And I'll leave a link to that tour in the description down below. The next animal is the toco toucan, the largest of the 37 species of toucan. The aviary is home to two toucans, Mango and Tango. Toucans use their beaks to skin fruit, their primary food source. Although the beak looks heavy, it's actually composed of many air chambers that make it very light. Toco toucans nest in tree hollows. Both parents incubate a clutch of eggs, and then 17 days later they hatch. At first they feed them insects, then fruit, and then after 50 days they're off on their own. And the reason why we're here, African penguins. I wonder what they're excited about. Let's see what it is. African penguins live on multiple different islands off the coast of Africa. African penguins are very social animals. They nest in colonies of 50 to 100 penguins, called workeries. The African penguin's diet can consume multiple different fish and even squid. The African penguin's population has declined over 97% in the last 100 years. Now there's only 3,000 breeding pairs. There's multiple reasons why African penguins are endangered. Oil pollution and overfishing are the main threats to African penguin survival. But the area is trying to help. They're deploying hundreds of artificial nest birds, which is things you see behind you, off the coast, Namibia, which is in the penguin's range, to try to help. And now I do it for our tour of Penguin Point and Eagle Hall. I hope you all enjoyed. Our next tour is going to be the Woods of Discovery building at the Pittsburgh Zoo, where we will see bats, meerkats, and Mexican bearded lizards. Until then, please be nice to people with disabilities and always love animals.